Welcome to UC second year student. Today let us study the chapter number 3, that is theory of production and costs. In production and costs, today let us study the returns to scale. The returns to scale. There are three types of returns to scale. They are constant returns to scale and increasing returns to scale, and third one is decreasing returns to scale. And these three types of returns to scale, as we increase the all inputs more and more, the output increases, but larger, smaller, and by the same proportions. These are called the different types of returns to scale. And the returns to scale, the law of variable proportions arises because the factor proportions change as long as one factor is held constant and other factors increased. So, the law of variable proportions arises due to the change as long as one factor is constant and others are increased. What with both factors can change? Remember that this can happen only in the long run. Only in the long run. The special case in the long run is that it occurs when both factors are increased by the same proportions or factors are scaled up. There are three types of returns to scale. They are one is constant returns to scale, and in constant returns to scale, and how much the inputs are used and what the amount of output is increased and what the factors of production is said. You have to understand the meaning of the constant returns to scale. The constant returns to scale is when a proportional increase in all the inputs results an increase in output by same proportions, the production function said to display the constant returns to scale. It is called as the constant returns to scale. It means that as we using the same proportions of all the inputs, there will be increase in output, but the production or output increases as the same proportions. Then the production function is said to be or display the constant returns to scale. It is called as the constant returns to scale. In second, the returns to scale is increasing returns to scale. What do you mean increasing returns to scale? There will be more and more uses of inputs. In that case, the output is increased by the same increase in the output. But the larger proportions is there. The output increases larger proportions. So, it is called as the increasing returns to scale. The definition is that you have to understand the meaning of what do you mean increasing returns to scale, IRS. When a proportional increase in all the inputs results in an increase in output by a larger proportions. By a larger proportions, the production function is said to display increase in returns to scale or increasing returns to scale. It is called as the IRS or the increasing returns to scale. And the last one is that is decreasing returns to scale. What is decreasing? What is a decreasing returns to scale? DRS. DRS, when a proportional increase in all the inputs results in a output increased smaller proportions, then the production function is said to display it is a decreasing returns to scale. It means that as we increasing same proportions of all the inputs, but the output increases in smaller and smaller proportions, it is called as the DRS. It means that decreasing returns to scale. So, these are the three types of returns to scale. You have to understand to clearly and to have the knowledge of these three types of returns to scale. One is constant to return to scale, another one is increasing returns to scale, and third one is decreasing return to scales. So keep remember till examination, and we have to study hard, and I request you all subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.